collaboration between Levi's, Nike, and streetwear icon Nigo highlights a creative reinterpretation of the Air Force 3 low. Coming in olive gray and Enigma stone, the sneakers showcase Levi's denim overlays, premium suede, and a vintage workwear aesthetic. The olive gray edition emphasizes Nigo's signature love for worn denim, using distressed textures and aged midsoles for an authentic look. Extra storytelling details enhance the drop, like the shoebox decorated with vintage Air Force 3 graphics in denim print and insoles stamped with old Levi's advertisements, nodding to Americana heritage. Another playful touch is the split heel branding, reading Nike Air and Ogin Force, reflecting Nigo's humor and design quirks. With its blend of fashion history, cultural references, and inventive details, this release offers more than a typical Nike drop. The sneakers launch in fall 2025 at $150 via Nike.com and select retailers.